What's up, guys? Today I got two more parts for the Genesis, and that's going to be, let me check, the OBD2 scanner and some RGB lighting. Let's go install this bad boy.
Alright, now first, well, we got the RGB lighting and then OBD2 diagnostic scanner. And I just did it so I can see like the little gauges on the tablet, so I'm going to be getting the tablet. Only cost 18 bucks, so it's not bad. Boom, there you go. It's in. I see the light. Easy, easy. I didn't even need to look down. Never did that before in my life. Anyways, so we got the RGB lighting. Let's go. What does it come with? Screws. Comes with some screws. Okay. I do not have a screwdriver with me. Okay, this is what we want to look at. Oh, so they do the wiring on the outside. So they want me to put it on the outside. I was thinking of going through the center console and just tucking the wires up here. But they're saying to go on the outside of the trim. Which is weird, because I would see a wire going at least across here, no? Whatever. We got some zip ties, empty box. I don't even know the app that they use for this. Yeah, buttons. Let me install this quickly and see if they work. I would be really disappointed if they didn't. Hey, there it is. Okay, look. They work, obviously. That's what you're paying for, right? Okay, I have to do something. I'm gonna basically throw all this shit, crap, whatever you want to call it, in the back. I want to see if I can run the wires from. Probably can't see me. I want to see if I can run the wires from underneath the dash. Take off. Ooh. I want to take off this cover right here, maybe. I was thinking of going underneath on the carpet, but I don't see. Can't take that off, so maybe take this cover off. I don't want to scratch anything, even though I'm using a knife, which is pretty dumb, but whatever. Even if I scratch in here, it doesn't bother me too much. Too much! Still bothers me. Well, let me do this without you guys hurrying my freaking way. Does it look like it can come out? But it doesn't want to. Okay, that is not possible. So what the you telling me I gotta come through here? That's stupid. Or through and around and tuck underneath? Again, that's dumb. Whatever, figure it out after. Going for now, I'm gonna just tuck this crap underneath here. Get these two. Oh, these zip ties. Freaking, this is a long wire, by the way, which is obviously good, but it's just the right size. Okay, holy shit. Okay, I'm trying to film in here, but it's really freaking hard because one, I don't have a flip up screen, so I can't see myself and see if I'm in frame, so I don't want to just waste a bunch of footage. And two, it's really tight in here and I can't, like, you know, get a good angle of anything that I'm actually doing. But I got the back installed. I used the screws on that were given to me on each side. I didn't go around that side, which they told me to do, which I understand why, because the two wires, one going on this side and one going like on this side, so like evened itself out. Now I got two wires both going on this side, so like, but it's whatever, it's fine. I mean, I got some wires sticking out, but like you can't really notice it, and at nighttime it's for the lights anyways, so whatever. Now I'm gonna start on the passenger side because I got my driver's side all done up. Everything's all tucked in on the side over here. I don't like this. I really don't like this wire hanging out here like this at all for this crap. But like, I mean, what else are you gonna freaking do, right? So I'm gonna have it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Try to figure something else out. When I had my Honda Civic, I ran like a fuse wire and I ran it underneath my glove box, so whenever my car turned on, it like fuse turned on and it worked that way. And I never really dealt with like this kind of crap, like the cigarette lighter. So like, I don't know, like it's cool, it's easy, has a freaking remote and everything. So I mean, like, I don't know, we'll see for now. We'll see how it works for now, and then I don't know, if I like it, I'll keep it. We'll see. Okay, and that's it. We're all done. Car's all set up. We got the lighting there. We got the lighting back there. Lighting over there. And in the footwell. Woo! We even got the app change. Want some red? Bop. Got red. Want some music? I got music playing, but whatever. And on they go, bop. Bop, 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 bop. Change colors. Bop, 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 bop. Whatever you want, you know? Okay. I just want to make a little video of the scanner. I just finally got it plugged in. It's pretty, it's a little laggy. It works alright. I just got to get a mount for it. I'll probably mount it somewhere right there. And then I got my gauges installed. There's a little app for it right there. All my LEDs are plugged in and my gauges are hooked up. I might go for a little ride just to test out the gauge. It's not bad. It's just nice just to read temperatures and stuff, whatever. And it looks pretty fucking cool, along with everything else. Okay, so I just pulled over. I thought I'd open the car up, show you a little bit. Back going. Rims, exhaust. Last but not least, front mount plate, which I do have both bolts. If you guys didn't watch or read in the description, I got both bolts. Okay. Yeah, there's not much to this video. Quick, short one. They're all pretty quick and short. Easy installs, easy mods. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one.